Hello friends, welcome to my channel 5 Minutes History. In this video, I bring you the story of Operation Trident, an offensive operation launched by Indian Navy on Pakistan's port city of Karachi during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971. It is considered to be one of the most daring and successful naval offensives in modern military history and saw the first use of anti-ship missiles in combat in the region. The operation showcased India's growing naval capabilities and dealt a significant blow to Pakistan's maritime strength, boosting India's strategic position in the Indian subcontinent. Towards the end of 1971, tensions between India and Pakistan were rising, centered around the issue of Bengali nationalism in East Pakistan. Bengali-speaking population in East Pakistan had been facing political, social and economic oppression by the West Pakistani government, which eventually led to widespread protests and demands for independence. When Pakistani military cracked down on these uprisings, committing one of the worst genocides in the history of mankind, millions of East Pakistanis fled to neighboring India, creating a massive humanitarian crisis. This forced the Indian government to intervene militarily in support of the Bengali independence movement. Angered by the Indian intervention, Pakistani Air Force launched preemptive strikes on Indian airfields along the western border on 3rd December 1971, which led to the full-scale war between the two neighbors. While the majority of the war was fought on the land front, the naval operations soon began. Pakistan's naval strength was considered a significant threat to India's shipping routes and naval dominance in the region. The port city of Karachi, located on the Arabian Sea, was home to Pakistan's naval fleet, its major oil storage facilities, and vital military infrastructure. A successful attack on these assets would severely hamper Pakistan's naval capabilities and disrupt its operations. The Indian Navy, under the command of Admiral S.M. Nanda, therefore devised Operation Trident to deliver a swift and crippling blow to Pakistani Navy. In early 1971, India had acquired 8 Soviet Osa-1 missile boats, fast stealthy vessels armed with powerful Styx missiles and advanced radars. Though designed for coastal defense with a limited range of 500 kilometers, Indian naval commanders saw their potential. When delivered, these boats were offloaded in Kolkata and towed all along the coast to Mumbai, since there were no heavy cranes in Mumbai at the time. This was the genesis of a brilliant idea in the minds of India's naval commanders that would go on to play a pivotal role in Operation Trident. If these boats could be towed from Kolkata to Mumbai, couldn't their short-range feature be overcome by towing them from Mumbai to Karachi? As such, a Karachi strike group led by Commander Babru Ban Yadav was formed under the Western Naval Command in Mumbai, consisting of 3 Osa-1 missile boats, INS Nipat, INS Nirghat and INS Veer, each armed with 4 Soviet Styx missiles, 2 Arnala-class anti-submarine corvettes, INS Kiltan and INS Kachal, and a fleet tanker, INS Poshak. On December 3, 1971, the boats were towed from Mumbai harbour to Okha port in Gujarat and then escorted towards Karachi by the frigates INS Kiltan and INS Kachal. Sailing in an arrowhead formation, changing course frequently with radar inputs from INS Kiltan, they evaded enemy detection. Interestingly, the ship crew communicated in Russian, making the transmissions between the attacking vessels difficult to intercept for enemy ears. The strike group reached 250 nautical miles south of Karachi and maintained its position during the day, outside the surveillance range of the Pakistan Air Force. As Pakistani aircrafts did not possess night bombing capabilities, the attack was planned between dusk and dawn. On 4th December 1971, at 10:30 p.m. Pakistani Standard Time, the Indian strike group advanced, detecting Pakistani warships 70 nautical miles away. INS Nirghat initiated the attack, sailed forward and fired its Styx missiles at PNS Khyber, a Pakistani battle-class destroyer. Never realizing what had hit their ship, baffled Pakistanis on board Khyber assumed it was the aircraft fire and tried in vain to engage the Styx missiles with their anti-aircraft guns. They even transmitted a mayday signal saying they had been hit by enemy aircraft before the vessel broke into two and sank, killing 222 sailors. INS Nipat fired missiles at a cargo vessel MV Venus Challenger and its escort PNS Shah Jahan, a C-class destroyer. Venus Challenger, which was carrying ammunition for Pakistan, exploded and sank, while PNS Shah Jahan suffered irreparable damages and had to be scrapped. The third missile boat, INS Veer, attacked PNS Muhafiz, a minesweeper, and sank it, killing 33 sailors. INS Nippert then continued to Karachi harbour and fired two missiles that struck the Kemari oil storage tanks and refinery. The whole Karachi harbour complex was set ablaze, causing a tremendous flash and an orange glow which could be seen for miles over that part of the coast. Stretched to their endurance limits and virtually unprotected against the airstrikes, the three missile boats then turned around and sailed full speed to Porbandar instead of the Okha port, anticipating Pakistani retaliation. As expected, Pakistani Air Force struck Okha port, but it had already been cleared of all ships. The prevailing confusion and panic among Pakistani forces led to several false alarms. In one such incident, frigate PNS Zulfikar of Pakistani Navy was damaged beyond repair by friendly fire from aircraft of the Pakistani Air Force, which mistook her for an Indian missile boat. On December 7, 1971, the killer squadron sailed into Bombay to a hero's welcome. With no casualties or damages on Indian side, Operation Trident was a resounding success and regarded as one of the most successful naval operations since World War II. In just 90 minutes, Pakistan had suffered devastating losses. Three major warships, including PNS Khyber and PNS Muhafiz, were sunk. Merchant ships carrying ammunition supplies were destroyed, and oil storage tanks at Karachi harbour were set on fire. The financial and strategic damage was so severe that Pakistan's navy was paralyzed, and sea line of communication between East and West Pakistan was severe. In fact, there was an effective blockade of the Karachi port without India having declared one. The humiliation Pakistan suffered in its own waters dealt a significant psychological blow to its morale. Not content with the triumphant success of Operation Trident, the Indian Navy repeated the feat just 4 days later in Operation Python, sinking another 3 ships of Pakistani Navy and setting the oil stores on fire for the second time. These defeats severely weakened Pakistan's ability to sustain the war and ultimately led to their surrender on December 16, 1971, and the eventual independence of East Pakistan as the new nation of Bangladesh. For their audacious planning, brilliant execution, and outstanding bravery, the 3 Indian missile boat commanders were awarded the Veer Chakra, while Commander Babru Ban Yadav, who led the strike group, was honored with Mahavir Chakra, India's second highest military decoration. To commemorate this victory, Indian Navy celebrates December 4 each year as the Navy Day. The bravery, innovation, and tactical expertise displayed during Operation Trident have earned it a revered place in Indian military history and remains a symbol of India's maritime prowess and strategic acumen.